If you're headed up to Lake of the Woods, look no further than Riverbend Resort. They have 3 different lodging options that can accommodate any budget, any time of the year. Riverbend Resort is located on the banks of the Rainy River across the border from Canada, providing direct access to excellent fishing. There are 13 pet-friendly cabins, all including their own fire pit, and are walking distance from the Miles Lab Bar and Grill, which is a great place to grab a bite and a few beers after a long day of fishing. If you're looking for a secluded, around-the-clock winter fishing experience, make sure you check out their sleeper houses. The Walleye Inn is a budget-minded option in Baudette and is only 15 minutes from Lake of the Woods. Each room has high-speed internet, a coffee pot, microwave, and refrigerator, making longer stays much more comfortable. The Walleye Inn has a look and feel that any outdoor enthusiast would enjoy, and the large parking lot makes it easy to get in and out with your boat. If you're looking for a high-end experience, look no further than Sleepy Lagoon Island. This private island provides an all-inclusive experience that can't be beat. Restored, turn-of-the-century cabins offer the escape that you've been dreaming of. Sleepy Lagoon is perfect for family retreats and annual events. Lake of the Woods is an angler's dream come true, and Riverbend Resort will take care of you whether you're staying here for 2 days or 2 weeks. You can focus on your fishing adventure.